What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Richie back at it again with another video. I want to give a special shout out to every one of you guys right now for watching the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We're growing every single day. Today is a day that we're working on the Integra. You guys been bothering me for the longest to do this, and today we are about to do this. We are about to get the Integra. We're about to get the Integra coilovers on the car. You already know what that means, and it's time to get something else on the car. I'm gonna see if we can get it done, and if we get real low, I might take that rear diffuser off because I know it might be scraping. We are so high in the air, so let's just go work on this car. Mike is waiting for me, running a little bit late, but this should be a good day, y'all. This should be a good day. Let me set the door. Cool. All right, I got a little surprise. Let's go. Nope. I'm really excited that we are getting this done. The coilovers is going to be on the new. Now I can't wait to put these Teggy coilovers on. It's been long overdue, and I just didn't really want to put money into this car. But now it's time for me to do what I gotta do and fix this car right. It's so sketchy driving this car. It's been like this for a minute. It's been really, really annoying. But driving it is not cool. And with me saying that is, the reason why I say it's not cool is because it's not cool. This thing don't drive that smooth. Whenever I do some turns and stuff, it really feels like a boat. Like literally feels like a boat. Feels like the car's gonna tilt over. And it's really start feeling like that once I put the aero kit on my car. My top one aero kit, when I turn like this, it feels so sketchy, and I've been feeling like this for a minute, but now it's time for us to get this done. I know a lot of y'all been wanting me to do this, man. A lot of y'all was suggesting you should get lower, it's gonna look good. Like, damn it, all right, I move on my own time, you know what I'm saying? But we're getting it done today. We're getting it done. All right, you guys, so I finally made it to High Rev Garage. Make sure you guys go follow them. Make sure you guys go subscribe to the channel, and the link is down below in the description. Right now, Mike is working on my Integra. We are putting some TNs. So which TNs we have right now? Putting on? Oh, so we putting on the which ones again?
TN Flex Z's.
TN Flex Z's. We're putting those on this car right now. So it used to be on his Type R that you see right there. His Type R had those, so he's giving me those. I'm buying them from him, but we're gonna install these, and he's getting a new set for his Type R. And I am excited because a lot of you guys been bugging me and asking me for the longest, when am I getting the new suspension? Well, today is your lucky day. I'm getting it right now. So I'm excited because driving this car was so sketchy. The front aero kit is so active and it works, but the rear was just horrible. And it's just, yeah, it was just bad. So anyways, we are getting it done. And like I said, you guys, make sure you guys go hit up High Rev Garage, especially if you're out here in the Bay Area, Northern California, need somebody to work on your car, holler at them. Feel free to reach out to them, hit them on Instagram. It's the same thing as their YouTube channel. And just reach out to them and set your appointment. And Mike is the best. That's why I only go to him to work on my car. I trust him, and as he's working on my car, he always let me know what this does and what that doesn't does, and you know what I'm saying? So he actually teaches me as I'm watching him work on the car, and actually sometimes I help out. But like I said, if you guys out here in the Bay Area, make sure you guys hit up High Rev Garage and get your car worked on. So it's about time. I'm excited. Oh my God, now it's about to change the whole look to my car, the whole stance of my car. Everything is gonna look so much better. And I'm hella happy. Finally, we're getting it done. But yeah, let me show you a little bit of a sneak peek of what we're doing. But then really, I'm gonna show you guys the aftermath of how this car looks. But TNs are the best. I love how the TNs feel on my Z. And the Z in this one's totally different, huh? Oh, okay. So yes. Okay, got you. So my Z is the street basic one. So this is gonna be so much fun.
Daily.
Okay.
Have fun around But this one you have is a higher, it's like a stage 2.
Ooh.
Those TN Basic Street, TN Flex Z.
Got you.
Got
Got you.
Another one. The Pro something.
That's
the one.
That's above this one, right?
It's like 1,000 something.
Goddamn. Okay. Well, we're not doing that today, huh? Shit. Okay. Up there. Okay. Man, check out the paint job, man. I can't wait till the paint actually gets here. Should be here within a week max. I ordered it last week, so should be here, and then all that clear coat is gonna be covered up, and it's gonna look way much better. But yeah, so now there you go. And then to go on the back rears, you have to unlatch these. This little part, that little part comes with these little covers. Take those off, and you have easy access to those. And what I'm going to do is, I have to get a rear strap bar, and I'm gonna get a front strap bar since I'm taking this car to the track and want to play around with it. There's a whole few more, well, there's a whole lot more stuff I need to do to this car to get it running real good. So when I take it to the track, it won't be an issue with turning and everything like that. So yeah, so we got a lot more stuff to get. You know, it's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy once this car is fully fixed, but I told you guys, we about to get this car worked on. It's gonna be super sick as it's worked on. I love this paint job. The paint job is amazing.
The stock has a bolt, but because your brake lines, you can't bolt it anywhere.
Okay.
So what I usually do, I just zip tie it right here.
Oh,
that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So I'm just gonna use one.
Oh, just one?
So we should just use one. I'm just telling you, that's what we do.
Okay.
Unless you get like stainless steel braided lines, those are different. But
zip ties on my.
You're gonna spend $400 for.
Fuck that. I'd rather just spend $2. Shit. All right, y'all. So now we finally made it to the last destination. I want to come to a little area where I can show you guys the car. The car looks amazing. The car is finally lowered. I know a lot of you guys been bugging me for the longest to lower my car. The car is officially low. It is slammed as low as I can go with this car. And no lie, I'm so satisfied with how it came out. I've been driving around for about an hour after this process, and the car drives amazing. I don't have to worry about my car feeling like a boat when it feels like it's turning and tilting. It's been driving amazing, and I'm so glad to show you guys how the car looked. It is super low life. I damn near cracked my my rear diffuser in the back, but I do have a new rear diffusers coming from Top One. Shout out to Top One. About to be grabbing that very, very soon. The car looks amazing. Shout out to High Rev Garage. Like I said, make sure you guys go support my bro Mike and his wife Kitty. She does vinyl wrapping. She does detailing, everything. They work installing cars. So whatever you have, make sure you guys hit them up and let them know Richie Rich Mo sends you. But right now, I'm so proud of how this car is looking. The car just looks so much different since the car has been lowered. And now it's time for me to show you guys what we have. And next thing you know, I'm about to time I'm off this video, you guys are not going to see it on this video, but I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna wrap the side mirrors carbon fiber. I still have extra vinyl. I'm gonna wrap that carbon fiber. And also, what else I was gonna do? Yeah, so we're still waiting on the OEM paint, the special. So we're still waiting on the classic paint. And once that gets here, then I'll be able to give you guys a better look of how it looks. But the car paint is so immaculate, and everybody's been coming up to me after I put the video and after I let you guys know that the paint was really rare. A lot of people love the paint. So let's look at this car right now. I'm gonna flip the camera around and hope you guys enjoy this, but I'm loving it. There we go, baby. The car is officially lowered. It is slammed. It is so low that you cannot, like, you can't even put a finger in there. I kid you not, you can't really put a finger in there. You have to go, like, bend your finger to go up. And the rear is low. Everything is no gap. The car looks super mean. I am loving it. It looks so amazing. Thank you to High Rev Garage. The car looks good. This just changed the whole definition of my car. It is so low. Like, look how low it is to the ground. Like, it's extremely low life. So it looks amazing. Hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I hope you guys are loving what I'm doing with my car. I'm loving it every single day. The headlights are still new. Everything looks good. Look how low this car is. I kid you not, the camera does no justice. The camera does no justice. This car is super freaking slim. It's lower than the 350Z, and the 350Z was slim compared to this car at first. So I'm happy. I'm so happy, and there's so much more we're about to do. Now it's time for us to start working on that engine very soon, and we got to change some of the arms and everything like that. That's controlling the stance and everything. So it's a lot of stuff we got to do, but stay tuned for that. Hope you guys like and subscribe. We're almost at 5K. See y'all later on the next one.